of leasing project invoice automation. As you know, before we have seen the payment plan automations. Have you completed the task remaining two payment plan automation flow for the half yearly payment plan and monthly payment plan? Have you completed? Okay. So now we will go with the invoice automation payment plan. Sorry, invoice automation. So the requirement is automate the invoice creation process by running a scheduled flow daily to check for payment plan with due dates matching today date. If a payment plan exists, an invoice record should be created using this detail. Every day, the scheduled flow automatically creates invoice record only for payment plans due today. The business no longer needs manual invoice creation, improving efficiency. If a payment plan exists for today, the flow should automatically create an invoice using the details from the payment plan. The created invoice will include relevant details like the account amount and due date. This ensures that invoices are generated on time without manual intervention, improving efficiency and reducing delays. Okay, so now we need to already have created a flow. I will explain you that flow in detail. So requirement is we need to create a invoice flow to create automatically invoice. So before we have created this opportunity payment plans. So these are the payment plans. So this is half yearly, this is yearly payment plan, I think. Yes, this is yearly payment plan. So this is this opportunity is having only one payment plan. So here this is the invoice object. We are having zero invoices. So for this requirement, we need to create a one flow, that is scheduled triggered flow. So that flow will run daily. It will check if any opportunity payment plan is there for the today's date. If there is today's date payment plan available, it will create automatically, it will create the invoice. Okay, so now we will go through with the flow. So now I have created the scheduled triggered flow. So our flow is, we are scheduling the flow on 8th August 2024 start date. It means this flow is starting from 8 August 2024 and start time is 6 p.m. and frequency is daily. It means from 8 August 2024 at 6 p.m. daily this flow is getting scheduled. Another condition is we are selecting the object from where we need to take the records to create this invoice. So from opportunity payment plan we are taking the records. Just we are putting the condition because null records should not come. That's why we are just entering the installment name does not equals to null. Then we are collecting all records of opportunity payment plan using the get records element. So here get records element, from which record we are getting the records from the opportunity payment plan. We are filtering here all records. See, this is the main thing. Here we are installment date on opportunity payment plan. There is installment date. This is the opportunity payment plan. This one is the installment date. Yes, installment date on opportunity equals to today's date. What this indicates, this is the variable, function variable, which is where, see, this is the today's date. This is the function for the, this function is used, this function is bringing the today's date, whatever date is there today, this function brings it. So example, today is 16/3/2025. This function is bringing today's date 16/3/2025. So it is, if installment date equals to today's date and installment name does not equals to null. Just this is not required, just I am giving the condition, and we are taking the all records, automatically storing the all fields, and we are coming to the decision element now. Here we are collecting all the records from the opportunity payment plan and checking the today's date and installment date, and all records getting stored in this get records. After that we are coming to the decision element. In decision element, what outcome details we are checking? Check any record is there with today's date. Here we are checking, is there any record with today's date? Here we are taking the opportunity payment plan installment date equals to this variable as we discussed before, today's date. This variable is bringing today's date. So if yes, if a decision is getting yes, we are coming here, we are calling one element called create record. If this condition met, if today there is any payment installment date payment plan is there, opportunity payment plan is there, so we are coming and creating a manually invoice. So auto generate invoice manually object, for which object we are creating the record, invoice object. So now here we are mapping the fields. So here account, here from where we are taking this account, we are taking this account from opportunity payment plan opportunity account id. We are storing this account id, and for due date we have created one variable for due date, that is this is the due date. So this due date indicates today's date plus 10, whatever will be date is today, this is adding 10 days in that. If today's date is 16/3/2025, it is adding 10 days in that, so that would be a 26/3/2025 will be the due date for that. And third field is installment amount. Installment amount also we are taking from the opportunity payment plan amount, whatever will be the opportunity payment plan amount, that will be get stored in installment amount. And installment date, what will be the opportunity payment plan installment date, that opportunity payment plan installment date is stored here. Installment name same from the opportunity payment plan installment name, opportunity is same from opportunity payment plan, opportunity id will be get stored, opportunity payment plan same opportunity payment plan gets stored here. And payment status, this is the pick list value. Whenever invoice is getting created, that is always unpaid. After some time it will be get paid by tenant. So this will be while creating the invoice, always this status will be unpaid payment status. And unit, whatever will be the unit available in the opportunity unit, it will get stored here. Okay, so here everything is done. We have created the flow for that. Sorry, where is that flow? Opportunity, create invoice scheduled flow. Okay, so here our we, I think we can't see this example. We will debug this flow, if this flow is running or not. So we will debug this flow from here. Okay, we will take any one of the record to debug this flow run. Okay, so see, our interview started, condition met, records take everything and completed. It means our flow is running successfully. So whenever, if a example, this is our record, before record, now opportunity payment plan is here, and there is no invoice for this. Now what will happen here, our flow is checking if today's date, any date is there, and when our flow is running, here is the condition at 6 p.m. So this payment plan is there for 16/3/2025 today's date. If 6 p.m. is after 6 p.m. Correct at 6 p.m. it will be create automatically, it will be create this invoice. We don't need to create invoice manually. it will be create automatically invoice for this opportunity payment plan. For every opportunity payment plan, any opportunity payment plan installment date is today's date, automatically that flow will be create invoice for that. Okay, so this is the for the invoice automation. Thank you for watching this video.